Hey, good morning. Are you available for a ride?
Good morning. Yes, where to?
The airport. How much will it cost?
Around $35, depending on traffic.
Sounds good. How long will it take?
About 30 minutes. What time is your flight?
10 a.m. So I need to be there by 8:30.
No problem. Do you have any luggage?
Just one suitcase.
Let me put it in the trunk.
Thanks. Do you take card payments?
Yes, cash or a card.
Great, let's go.
Heading straight to the airport. Shouldn't take long.
Perfect. Hope there's no traffic.
So far, the road looks clear. All right, we're almost there. Which terminal?
Terminal 3.
Here we are.
Thanks. Here's my card.
Payment approved. Here's your receipt.
Appreciate it. Have a great day.
You too. Safe travels.